In apparel sourcing, a strong supply chain does not always mean a flexible one. Even if today's production setup works well, unexpected changes can still create risk. A brand may rely on one trusted country, region, or supplier network for years. The price is competitive, the quality is stable, and communication is smooth. But the real risk is not having one strong option. It is having only one. In apparel production, disruption is not limited to the factory floor. Trade rules, tariffs, logistics, currency changes, energy supply, and weather can all affect delivery. Even a well-managed factory can become vulnerable when external conditions change. That is why efficiency and resilience are not the same thing. Efficiency keeps daily operations smooth and helps keep costs under control. Resilience gives brands room to adjust when pressure arrives. A supplier list may look diverse, but hidden risks can still remain. Several factories may depend on the same material source, port, or logistics route. If brands only look at final sewing locations, they may miss the real bottleneck. And when disruption happens, the lowest cost setup can quickly become expensive. Delays can affect launch timing, inventory planning, buyer confidence, and markdown risk. The answer is not to abandon a strong production base, but to build sourcing in layers. Stable, high-volume programs can stay in efficient production hubs. But trend-driven styles, urgent restocks, or tight delivery windows may need backup routes that are prepared in advance. These backup routes cannot be built overnight. New suppliers need product understanding, compliance review, sampling, approval, and trial experience before they can become reliable options. For manufacturers, this also changes what brands expect from factories. Production capacity is important, but clear and traceable production information is becoming just as critical. This is also the direction OSHIMA has been moving toward in recent years. Equipment upgrades are not only about making machines faster. More importantly, they help factories keep production data that can be understood, traced, and used. Data cannot change tariffs, exchange rates, or geopolitical risks, but it helps manufacturers manage the parts they can control with more clarity. When supply chain uncertainty becomes the new normal, visibility and flexibility are no longer optional. They become part of how factories stay ready for change.